Okay, so I'm going to put this one on here. And this will be the real test, and my air tool will work on this. Where's that thin wrench? Can you hide it from me?
Yeah, right here.
I hate stupid things you got to be real thin on. Okay.
It's really nice for working the RT when you're adjusting the clutch.
Mm-hmm. Well, this is gonna, it rounds out this brass end too. It's pretty easy. That's good. Don't need to be super heavy. That's yours. Okay. So if you don't want to get dirty, you wipe off the excess here.
It's gonna be so nice to have these set up nice.
Okay, hook me back up. Let's see, we got air
All right.
tools. We're armed.
And dangerous. All right.
Still doesn't work.
How is that possible? It's the same fitting, same company.
I know. And this works at home.
That is wild.
I got no air pressure.
Try one of these.
Why does it not work? That doesn't make sense.
That is so wild.
I'm gonna
Do
drop it.
they look the same?
It's the same fitting. Maybe I just dropped them too many times.
I don't get it.
It's been dropped more than once on the end, but you know, I don't know why it's not working. That one works.
How does it work again? Not here.
I have no
I mean,
idea.
it's the same part number. It's on it. The part number's on it.
It's the same part, but it still doesn't work.
That's wild.
Like I said, it's been dropped a few times on the end, so maybe it's something to do with that. But it looks long enough not to be a problem. I don't know. Well, obviously it's not your hose, it's my hose. My problem. We're going to fix it. We're going to swap this out. And we'll see if this is the problem or if the zip gun's bad. But the thing is not popping any air, so it's got to be the fitting. Get rid of that one. Nice brand new one right here. Get this nice pristine goo. Barely does anything. Some nasty stuff. Oh, I think I found the soft spot. Oh yeah, that's a lot softer. All right. That should be tight enough. Okay. Think it's going to work now?
I do.
Watch it still not work. That means the gun's bad. Must be the fitting. One thing I don't like, look at the hole difference. This one here is very small. This one's very big. There's been a change in the fitting size. They reduced it a bunch. So this is 300 thou on this end. That side's the same. This side over here on the other hand though, 200. $240. That's very, very thin. 40 thou doesn't seem like much, but look at the difference. So maybe that has something to do with if chuck doesn't work. I don't know. Definitely low flow. That ain't gonna stay that way at home. So I'm looking to chuck the plunger in there. I think what's going on is my hole is so big it's going over that fitting in there. So mine goes in that far. Yeah, see there's only goes in. Yep, that's what the problem is. See, there's the plunger. And mine goes all the way past the plunger. Yep. That's why I had no air. This hole's too big. They made some changes in here. That kind of sucks. Yep. That's when my fitting doesn't work. These work on my fittings at home, but here it doesn't work that way anymore. So there's been changes. Had to be something going on. We were getting no air. It doesn't take much to make air. All you do is just barely move that plunger, you got air coming out. This one never hits it. Goes right over it. It's a solid stop. Alright, well there you go. I learned something new.